It's probably just me that didn't know this, but Blender has made 5.2 loads easier for beginners. There's loads of cool assets that come with Blender now. So you've got models, materials, and HDRIs and so on. And you can just drag and drop them into your scenes. So let's take a look. So in Blender, do make sure, of course, that you've got 5.2 downloaded and installed. If I just bring up the bottom window here, so where my cursor changes to the double arrows, I can click and drag and bring that up, and I can change across on the left-hand side here to the asset browser. So this is where you can drag and drop your assets into the scene, and I've got lots of assets that I've downloaded. If I change this across to the essentials, this is what comes with Blender. And of course, you get all the brushes and things like that. And on the side here, you've got new things like materials. And you can see all the new materials you can use just here. And they've got things like models as well, which is immensely handy. Just do note that if you hover over one, it does say you need to download the asset first. So for example, if I click on this, I need to download it, then I can drag it into my scene. And there is this cool looking guy. There's also worlds down at the bottom here. So if I go to rendered view, click and drag one of these in. This one I've already downloaded. So I'll click and drag that in. You can see we've got this nice HDRI in the background. So it just makes things a lot faster. Let's actually jump to one of the materials now. Let's use this clay material, for example. Drag and drop that on, and we got this funny, hideous looking creature here. How about the car paint? Let's drag and drop that one on. And if you want to tweak these, let's go to the shading workspace now. I'll just zoom in on this guy with the car paint. You'll notice it's all grayed out. You do have to click this button here. So this is a packed library data block. If you click this, you can unpack it and then you can start editing it and change the coat weight, for example, or the coat roughness and so on. That's really awesome stuff. And I think that makes it a lot easier for beginners. So thanks very much, Blender. If you've got any questions, then do comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.